Thank you, everybody. I've had the worst time trying to win the lottery, so much that I've come up with my own. And tonight, I'm going to give you guys a chance to win my lottery, but I don't want you to get too excited. It's a fake lottery. There is no $1 million prize. That's because I'm the prize. All right, I'm not the prize, but if you win, you will walk out of here with dinner for 4, and that's not a bad prize for being in a fake lottery. Your luck tonight's going to depend on 2 things. It's going to depend on the fate of this small, tiny steel ball, which I call the Powerball, and a randomly selected lottery ticket. And I happen to have 54 lottery tickets right here, and I guarantee that one of these and only one of these will win tonight in tonight's lottery. Now there's some choices to be made. Scott, you can play in the lottery. Or Manny, you can play in the lottery. Or because you guys are best buds, you actually both can play in the lottery. The choice is going to be entirely up to you guys, but first, we need to randomly select one of these tickets. So I want you to come up with a number between 1 and 54, each of you.
Say it out loud?
Yeah.
32.
32, and Manny?
12.
12, 32 and 12. So you remember those choices I gave you earlier? We're going to use those right now. We could play your number 32. We could play your number 12, or we could use both numbers together. What would you like to do?
Do you want to do both? Sure.
You want to do both?
Why not?
The 4th choice I'm going to give you, we can either add or subtract those numbers. The choice is entirely up to you.
And add them? Subtract them.
Ooh.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
You want to take 32 and subtract 12. That comes to number
20.
20.
Had to think for a second. 20, yeah.
Scott, I want you to take these tickets. I want you to deal face up 19 tickets and put the 20th card or 20th ticket face down right there and don't look at it. Manny, if you look at those tickets, they're all in a random order. They all have a different number on the face and there's no duplicates.
16, 17, 18, 19,
20th card right here.
20 right there.
Perfect.
Okay.
Now, most lotteries have a lottery machine. And I brought my lottery machine with me tonight that I've made. It consists of a couple of parts. It consists of the machine itself. It has 54 numbers printed on the bottom. It comes with a steel plate with 54 holes drilled in it. If I pop it into the machine itself, it lines up perfectly with the 54 numbers. And I have a small stand that will raise and lower the plate as time goes on. Now, back to the Powerball. The Powerball is slightly larger than any of the holes inside are on this plate. And Manny, I want you to take it and I want you to pop it on one of the holes, showing that it will not fall through. Do you want to move it to another hole? It will not fall through any of the holes. That's because physics will not allow it to happen. That's because the Powerball is slightly larger, unlike the other 53 that I have in my pocket. These are actually smaller than the Powerball. Now, people might get suspicious of me running this lottery. So in a few moments, Manny, you're going to do it yourself. But before I do that, I want to show you how all this madness works. All right? Mm-hmm. We're going to take the plate. We're going to drop it into the machine. You're going to take the Powerball using the tweezers and drop it into the 53. You're going to give it a good shake. We'll pop the plate back in. And then you're going to take these and I want you to randomly distribute them into the machine itself. As you can see, a lot of them didn't find holes, some did find holes. We have no idea where the Powerball is. So now, let's raise the plate up, get rid of all the smaller balls, leaving only the Powerball up top. And the Powerball has actually found one hole. For clarity's sake, I'm going to get rid of the other balls. And I'm going to lower the plate down. We have no idea what number is underneath the Powerball. So Manny, I want you to pick the ball off. And in this instance, the Powerball landed
Looks like 44.
on 44. So it could have landed on any hole. It could have landed on any number. A totally random choice. So Manny, I want you to do everything now. I want you to take the Powerball, add it with the other 53. We'll drop the plate in. I want you to put the lid on and give it a good shake. All right, take them off, and I want you to randomly distribute the balls into the lottery machine itself. As you can see, most of them have found a spot on the plate. That's a very good job. Good job. And now there's only one way to find the Powerball because it's mixed in with the other ones, and that's to raise the plate up. Drop all the other balls down, leaving only the Powerball up top. It all comes down to this. There you are. The Powerball has found one hole. I'm going to get rid of the other balls for clarity's sake. And now we have no idea what number is underneath the Powerball. So this is where both of you will come in. Manny, I want you to take the Powerball off the plate with using these tweezers. And Scott, I want you to announce to everybody what number is underneath the ball. All right, go ahead.
Okay. It's 28.
28. Ladies and gentlemen, under impossible conditions, under impossible odds, and dinner for 4. It's 28.
That's awesome. You're lucky.
Oh, and did I mention dinner for 4? I did.
Yes.
Macaroni and cheese, enough for dinner for 4. Thank you.
Nice.
Good job.